Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11, so don't miss any steps and let's fix this issue together. First of all, we need to go to the search bar and type here task manager and click on the search result. Once we are here, we need to click on run new task and then simply type here POW PowerShell and check this box and click on OK. So the Windows PowerShell window will appear, and once we're here, type here sfc /scan now and hit enter. So this will take some time to complete the process. Till then we will move to the next step. So simply go to the search bar, again type here task manager and open it. Then we need to simply find out the Windows Explorer and right click on it and select end task. Okay, so in the background everything is black. For that we will go to the simply run new task and type here explorer explorer.exe and click on OK. There we go. So we need to wait for a few seconds or time to fix in the background. Once done, we need to wait for this. Okay, now it's done. We will close this window and simply restart the system. You can also check out the pinned comment to fix this issue quickly and effectively. Please check out and don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.